Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how I repotted this plant, the Scaphlera arboricola, or also called umbrella tree. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Start with taking the plant out of the pot. I immediately noticed that the plant was root bound. The soil was very tightly packed. To loosen the roots, I put the roots and the dry soil in water. After a day of soaking, it's time to loosen the roots and remove all the old soil. This may take some time, but make sure not to damage the roots. Fill a pot that is bigger than the last size with a soil mixture. I use a mix of potting soil, perlite and coco peat. Put in some more to adjust the height of where the plant will be. Then fill up the pot with the potting soil while holding the plant. Press it down a little bit. And now we're done. Thank you for watching this video on the repotting of this umbrella tree. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!